Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change password on mobile hotspot in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change password on mobile hotspot in Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. In Settings, click on Network and Internet. In left hand, click on Mobile Hotspot, and here you will find network name and network password. If you want to change the password, just click on the edit button here, and now you can change the password as you wish. And please note, you need to set at least 8 character as password. I'm going to change the password, and now click on save. And look, the password has been changed in my mobile hotspot on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.